Anxiety kitchen.
No, we're just gonna rock mullets. Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. Bees!
There may be.
There may be bees.
There may be ants.
There might be giants.
I'm your only friend. I'm not your only friend, but actually I'm your only friend because actually I am.
But you're my only friend because we are quarantined.
Oh, hey, did you tell the people that Anxiety Kitchen is officially a thing? Because it got its first dollar. That's a really big pan.
It is.
Gimungo muffins.
It is, but my brother found me this at a job site.
Heck yeah!
And it's very heavy and also home defense.
Troll in the dungeon! You're tilted, but it looks nice. On March 11th, COVID-19 coronavirus is declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization.
I'm just saying that we played that game and we won.
Hey, what are you making?
What?
What are you making?
Oh, I'm making apple tarts.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. I didn't say that at all. I just started fucking putting shit in holes.
I know.
No. We're making apple tarts for Pie Day. Because we're going to pretend that tarts are pies.
They are tiny pies.
With no top.
Self-serve pies.
They're stripper pies. Because they're topless.
I
did not have sexual relations with that woman. Hi, Momo.
It's artistic because it's diagonal.
Ah, yes, yes.
Nothing will be straight in this house.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Stella.
Such a millennial fucking problem.
What, to be stuck in The Sims?
No, to, you know.
Forget to call your dad and instead post a video on the internet declaring your eternal love for...
Yes.
Okay.
I always forget that we have an apple core.
Until... Well, you know what? I don't think it'll fit. I think that's too big.
That's true. These are thick. I grew up listening to Metallica and Aerosmith at volumes that make me not surprised at all when I can't hear people. And Enya. My dad had a wicked thing for Enya. He would seriously, like, he had an Enya CD and he would be like, oh, he was like, put in the Enya CD. And I'm like, what? He would crank it, like, in the truck as loud as it would go.
It's like, why does my dad love The Devil Wears Prada? We'll never know.
I don't want to have giant chunks of apple. Like a slap chop. Hi, it's Vince from Slap Chop. Didn't you go to jail for beating up hookers?
I do not know about that, but I'm not going to question it. We'll go with yes.
Need a sous chef. Or if you're watching first season of L Word, a soup chef. Is it wrong in my head? I'm like, I know it said I needed 3 apples, but like, do I really need 3 apples? And if I eat these, I don't have to cut them.
Life hack calls for 3, eat 1. Oh, only calls for 2.
Do you know what time it is?
Peanut butter jelly time?
No, it's giant egg time.
There were a lot of cracks involved in that egg.
2!
A double yogurt! You gotta prove that evidence.
Take a picture, send it to my dad.
Okay.
So now here's a question. So it only calls for 1 egg.
Ooh.
I mean, that technically is 1 egg. It was like the Spice Girls song. When 2 become 1.
I would love to see one of
Like, do I just what? Eat. I need 2 tablespoons of flour. I need cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, now we're just gonna eyeball that. Then I wonder why I run out of vanilla so quick. Yes.
Don't lick doorknobs and don't visit old people.
I mean, these smell good. They aren't even cooked yet. I forgot to hit record. I put the topping on. It's just equal parts flour and brown sugar and then 2 tablespoons of butter. And then you just plunk it on there. And I'm a dumbass. They are going in the oven. I forget how heavy this is. Okay, here's where I completely fucked up and I had to redo the topping because my pans are so big. Okay, so they're not pretty. These ones look okay.
Love you.
Crackheaded. It's 10 o'clock at night. It's too late for crackhead energy.
You can't keep me up this late. This is why this happens.
Oh god. So these are a little gloopy.
Oh, it's gonna taste delicious. Anytime something looks questionable, it's always good. 99% of the time when something looks questionable, it's always good.
I wouldn't even put it that high. Okay, these are officially done. They have cooled. They have been tasted. And I give them thumbs up. I have spent this entire episode behind the camera, and now that I'm in front of it, I am uncomfortable. So I wanted to make these for Pi Day, and my friend Heather's friend Sam wanted to see me make these, I guess, or it was a suggestion, so I was like, I can do this. Yeah, they're fucking ugly, but they're tasty.